Yeah.
Okumase.
Yeah.
Okumase.
Yeah.
Say. Let me, on behalf of our candidate, the gubernatorial candidate, and all other candidates of the River Southeast Senatorial District, appreciate and thank the entire people available, the leadership of the party in this local government for doing a wonderful job, for making our people to come out en masse to give us a rousing welcome. I must say that this rally today is very, very active.
Yes, sir.
It's a live rally. It's a rally that is participatory.
Yes, sir.
It's a rally that the people believe that they are in charge.
Yes, sir.
So I thank you very much. The candidates have spoken. What is important when you see a leadership that is united, when you see people who are working together, you can know what the result will be.
Yes, sir.
And we know by the grace of God, the result come March 11. Senator Barinada Piggy will be elected. Felix Wike will be elected. Not be so, unfortunately, 1 billion will be elected. And in March, no, unfortunately, will be elected in March 11.
Yes.
And then the Guba candidate will be elected in March
11.
Now, you see, when they say I'm the cause, I'm the problem, I'm not any problem. I'm a peaceful person, is it not?
It is so.
Are we not peaceful?
We are peaceful.
Are we not peaceful?
We are peaceful, oh.
This is supposed to be an opposition party, is it not?
Yes, sir.
A party that's supposed to identify with the masses, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Is it not true?
It is.
This is a party that is saying that the ruling party is not doing well, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Is it not? It means that anything that affects the masses, we must be in support of the masses. Is it not true?
Yes, sir.
Is it not true?
Now, so.
Are you happy the fact that you have money in the bank and you can't get your money? Will you be happy?
No.
Are you happy?
No.
Since Central Bank came with this madness, is it not affecting you?
Is this so?
Is it not affecting you?
It's affecting us, so.
But you see my problem. Instead of our party to identify the leadership of the party at the national level is now saying that they are happy with what Central Bank is doing. Is that good?
No way.
Is that good?
No.
Everybody should see. Instead of us to say, identify with the masses who are suffering, you are saying that you are happy with the policy that Central Bank and Cabal are bringing and making us to suffer. You are saying it is good. We in River State, we will not support it.
No way.
Are we supporting that?
No.
Are we supporting what Central Bank is doing?
No.
So, we want to say, we are not in support of that. All those who are in support of that are enemies of the people.
Yes, so.
Not so.
Not so.
They are enemies of the
people.
When I say some people are undertakers, you know what an undertaker is? Do you hear what they call the one you will say is the national chairman? Do you hear what he said yesterday? Do you hear what he said? You didn't hear? Do you hear what he said? Let me tell you, when you see undertakers, you know those who came to kill this party. But this party will know that they will die first.
Yes. Yes, so.
Not so.
Not so.
Let me show you. I didn't know that they are so wicked to this party. No wonder they left the party and joined ACM before.
Bad belly.
Now they have come again. See what? That's why I say it's not my own chairman. Let me show you what they said. Are you ready to hear it? Are you ready?
Yes, so.
People are saying they don't do to for my phone, it don't work.
It no go work.
Wicked don't mind them, don't mind them. Yes, a wicked don't mind them. Say, oh, don't mind them, oh, don't mind them. A biggie man, a biggie man. A biggie man, a biggie man. Yeah.
Bogey, bogey.
They will fail, Abi. They never fail.
A biggie man, a biggie man. Yeah.
Holy.
Increase the volume, and I'm not volume. Increase the volume. Listen. See what they're saying.
Listen.
You hear what their chairman said?
Yes, so.
That PDP has brought shame, and they will not allow PDP to be in power.
Yes, so.
Is that a good chairman?
Bad chairman.
Is that not anti-party?
Anti-party.
Is the chairman not doing anti-party?
Anti-party.
Out of the abundance of heart.
The man speakers. Koro.
Out of the abundance of what?
They have.
The man what?
Speakers.
But for us in River State, our own party is a good party.
Yes, so.
Our own party is a party that has done River State well.
Yes.
And we must vote our National Assembly, our governorship, our House of Assembly, as far as PDP is
Concerned.
So it is their own party that has brought shame to them. Our own party, PDP River State, has never brought shame to us.
No way.
Not be so.
Not so.
Not be so.
Not so.
Now it is clear. Those who love us. Anyway, people, if somebody say they don't love you, will you kill yourself?
No.
Will you kill yourself?
No.
You love those who love you, is it not?
It is.
Those who hate you, do you need to love them?
We hate them.
If you hate me,
I hate you.
if you love me,
I love you.
if you push me,
I push you.
if you whack me,
I whack you.
if you fall for me,
I fall for you.
He may do many ways. He may do many ways. Oh, I put it down.
so there's no sentiment. See what happened. They said they want to do rally. I said, okay, go and take Adokia Mesimaka. I've given them Adokia Mesimaka last night. Some of these armed robbers in the state thought that we wouldn't know. Abia Sakebo led talks around 12 midnight to go to Transamadi, the land that belongs to River State, and brought bulldozers with Lee Meba to start grading the place. That's where they want to use for presidential rally tomorrow. I said, no, go back to stadium. You say you want stadium, no be so.
Now so.
You say you have people, no be so.
Yeah.
You must go there.
You go full am.
You say you get people, no be so.
Now so.
Go there. You will not do presidential rally any other place. You must take
Stadium. You go full am.
So they escaped me last night. Of course, I have to chase them away. They ran away before I came. You know, there are people whose hand, if you see their hand, it's just blood. They want us to go into violence. We will not go into
Violence. No way.
we'll never stain our hands with
Blood.
So I told them, you must use Adokia and Mesimaka.
Stadium.
After all, Bayelsa is here. You bring people.
Now so.
Edo is here. Bring them. Delta, bring them.
No way.
Akwa Ibom, import them.
No way.
Cross River, hire them.
No way.
Do you understand? Imo State, transport them.
No problem.
Abia State,